Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is the 8x10. We're going to be using some very pretty colors. And we're going to be doing something that I saw, look at those. Carol from Carol's Art Room. It's a simplistic bloom, kind of like a half of a flower. I love doing flowers, so I thought I would try it out. So my pillow paint, let me get my pillow paint. Well, Happy New Year to you all. I think it's going to be a beautiful year. I think so. My pillow paint is PPG Multi Pro. So I'm going to put some on here. So I'm not sure how much really to put on for this, but I think that's good. All right. So my first color, I'm going to do the puddle down here. And it's going to be a flower going up this way. It's a custom lavender metallic that I made up. So let's do it about right there. And next, I have Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. And our beautiful 24 karat gold. And we have my Amsterdam Carmine Red. And then I have Pebeo Green Blue, and I'm going to put that down here. And I have Pebeo Green Yellow. These are gorgeous. Oh, my cell activator. Let's see, what shall I use? I'm going to use Prussian Blue Oxide Black. Well, no, I think I'll use Payne's Gray. Let me shake that up. I think this might be a little too much paint. We'll see. All right, here we go. Now, for my blower, I'm going to be using the world's smallest blow dryer. You can get this on Amazon. Okay, and this will be Payne's Gray. Let's go. Okay, let me scoot it over just a little bit. Let me use a straw to see if I can get something. All right, got a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to use my skewer. Well, first you gotta pop bubbles that come up. I see just a few. You want to pop any bubbles before you stretch it out. That was a little funky. Whoops. No. It's pretty, the purple in the middle, the blue, the bluish turquoise here, brighter green here. I don't know if I should do anything with the middle one. Oh, I kind of ruined that one. Well, that's looking really pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to just spread out my paint a little so we can get it to the, I don't know if I need to add a little more or not. Maybe a little bit, especially to the corners here. I'd like to learn how to make these because I really like them. Oops, careful, Lucy. Bigger. Like to learn how to make them big. That was a big bubble. All right. Well, my first one, so we're just kind of learning how to do this. Now I do need to see a bubble I need to pop. Clean my tools. I see some that are just waiting to pop. I usually use my torch and I didn't. It's on the shelf. I've been reorganizing putting all my beautiful colors on the wall, reorganizing my studio. Okay. All right. Let's spin this out. See how it turns out. Oh, pretty. A few more. I definitely used too much paint, but, you know, you learn. But I do like the color combo. So if my canvas was a little bigger and a little longer, it might be quite nice. Let's see, I still need to get some coverage here. Oh, I didn't put on my gloves. Oh, that's pretty. Need to get a little cover there. It's those corners. I'm gonna do this again and make it a little bit smaller. See how it turns out. And I think I want a little bit more of that blue. I don't want so much of the bloom coming off. All right, I will stop there. I think bubbles keep popping up. And let's do it again. All right. I'll see you in the next video. I'm not going to touch it except for popping bubbles. God bless you.